In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change options for marking an email as read in Outlook. If you've ever found emails turning red the moment you glance at them, or staying unread when you expect otherwise, adjusting this setting can make your inbox behave the way you want. I'll walk you through both classic Outlook on desktop and the new Outlook or web version, so you can tailor the experience to your workflow. Let's start with classic Outlook on the desktop. Open Outlook and go to the File tab, then choose Options. In the Outlook Options window, select Advanced. Scroll down until you find the section called Outlook Panes, and click the Reading Pane button. This is where the behavior is controlled. If you want to stop Outlook from automatically marking messages as read when you preview them, uncheck the option that says, Mark items as read when viewed in the reading pane. This is useful if you rely on the reading pane for quick peeks but want to keep messages flagged as unread until you deliberately handle them. If you prefer Outlook to mark messages as read automatically, but only after a short pause, check the box to enable the delay and set the number of seconds that feels right for you. For example, set it to 0 seconds for immediate marking after selection, or add a few seconds so a quick scroll doesn't mark things read unintentionally. This small delay can be a lifesaver if you skim through your inbox quickly. There's also an option called Mark Item as Read when the selection changes. If you don't want Outlook to mark a message as read just because you clicked away to another email, uncheck this box. That way, nothing flips to read unless it meets your chosen condition in the reading pane. When you're done, click OK, and then OK again to save everything. Now, for the new Outlook or the web version, click the Settings gear icon in the top right. Go to Mail, then Message Handling or Email. Look for the Mark as Read section. Here, you can choose options like Don't automatically mark items as read or adjust the conditions so that emails only mark as read based on your preferred behavior. Make sure to save your changes so they stick across sessions. With these adjustments, your inbox will better match how you work, whether you like to triage quickly or keep control until you're truly done with a message. Thanks for watching.